In this video, we're going to work on estimation. So if we have a problem like this that says estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest 10, then subtracting to estimate. So we're trying to figure out approximately how much 81 minus 33 equals. And then we need to put in the approximate difference in this box. So just remember that rounding to the nearest 10, so this is the ones, this is the tens, remember? And so when we round to the nearest 10, we look over to the ones and we decide, is this 5 or greater? If it is, then this would become a 9. But this is a 1, so we just leave this as 8, and then it would be 0 here, so 80. Because 81 is very close to 80, so that's going to be the estimate for that one. So you could see here, 81 is very close to 80. Then for 33, when we round to the nearest 10, we do the same thing. We look at the number beside it, and we decide if it's less than 5, then the 3 remains the same, and then this becomes 0. Because 33 is closer to 30 than it is to 40. So if this number here was 5 or greater, then we would round this to 40. But in this case it isn't. So we would round this number to 30. So it would look like this. So then all we need to do is subtract 80 minus 30. And we know 80 minus 30 is 50. And if you don't remember that right away, you could just do that. 80 minus 30. So we know 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 3, you can just count that on your hands if you want, is 5. Or use a number line. So 50. So we know the approximate difference is 50. So we'll put it in this little box here. And that's the answer. And this is an easy way to understand rounding. And if you listen to this again, it'll make more sense and you'll become an expert at it.